Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about some new jewelry pieces I'm launching on my website. If you are new here, I do have a crystal jewelry brand online by glamlatte.com. My name is Jamie. I do beauty content. I would love it if you would subscribe before you go. And if you guys want to see the new handmade jewelry pieces that I am releasing on my site, then keep on watching. We're on my phone again, but that's probably the way it's going to be for the foreseeable future because I have issues with my audio recorder. It is what it is. The show must go on. Today we're going to be talking about my new pieces that I'm launching. I'm excited, but I'm going to keep this very short. I do have some new stones. We'll talk about that real quick. And 4 new pieces. So let's just jump into it. So the first necklace is another statement necklace. The last release had a lot of simple, dainty layering pieces. Previous to that, it was a lot of statement things. I think that you guys really like the statement necklaces. So I do have some this month as well as next month. The first one is called the Deacon necklace, and this is what I'm wearing right now. I have it in 2 other stone options. I kept it really neutral, black, white, and silver. This necklace is wrapped in 2 separate 24 karat gold fill chains. One is a paperclip chain, the other one is more like of a thin chain. It's wrapped around the stones, and I also have a zodiac charm on there. This also is 24 karat gold fill. And it does have a 2-inch extension on it. I usually offer multiple sizes. I think that there's a couple sizes on there. If you ever need a different size than what you see, you can always message me. I can always work something out with you. I do hand make these pieces to order, so I have a lot of flexibility in that way. So always please reach out to me if there's something you want. Now, I am offering this in 3 stones. However, if there is a particular stone that I have in something else that you want to see in this necklace, you can message me that too, and I can do something custom for you. But for now, I kept this very neutral. I just love how like edgy this is, but it's also, you know, kind of glam. Like you can really dress this up, but I just love this even with just a t-shirt, jeans, and some heels. And I love gold, as you guys know, but for the girls who love silver, the hematite necklace, because it's silver and it has the gold chain and charm on it, it is great for mixing metals. So you can layer your silver pieces with this one and it will look fantastic. This is white quartz, which is pretty much the same properties as clear quartz. It's the master healer. It is like the universal stone. And then this is black tourmaline, which is a stone of protection. All of the meanings and energies that each stone has is on the website. So you can just head over there and read up on it if you're looking for something specific. Next up, we have a bracelet. I haven't launched a bracelet in a while, and this was actually requested from a lot of you guys. This is a take on my balance necklace, which is really popular. This is the balance bracelet. This is half never fade aluminum chain in gold and half gemstones. I'm only offering this one in 5 gemstones right now, and we have amethyst, rose quartz, howlite, green aventurine, and black tourmaline. But again, if I have another stone on there that you'd like to see this in, just let me know. It does have a toggle clasp, and it's very similar to the necklace. It's just a little mini bracelet. So I really like these. I think that they're fun, and I'm glad that you guys requested them. I am always open to requests, so definitely hit me up. Next up, I have an earring. Last month, I launched earrings. I had 3 different styles on there. I kept it very simple for the first ones, but this time I am launching the retrograde earring, and this is what they look like. These stones are mini 4mm stones, and they come in the same stones as the connected bar necklaces do. I have smoky quartz, fluorite, moonstone, sodalite, and garnet. And again, you can read on the site all of the properties of these. There's something literally for everyone. And you can shop the site by intentions or by specific stones if you already kind of know what you're looking for. I love a good dangly earring, and last month the earrings I launched, there was a couple of them that are a little bit shorter. So now I have 2 earrings that are kind of on the longer side and 2 styles that are on the shorter side. So something for everyone, but I love these. I think they're so universal, so classy, but also, again, could be worn with like jeans, a t-shirt, and some heels, you know? And lastly, I have one more necklace. This is a layering necklace. This is called the star sign necklace. And basically what this is a star stone pendant. So the pendant is a gemstone. This one is labradorite, and it has gold plated edging on it. It's on a gold filled chain, and it has the gold filled zodiac charm on it. So you get to customize these. I have 7 different stone options that these come in. I have Dalmatian jasper and lapis lazuli, 2 new stones that I hadn't carried previously. Labradorite, there's rose quartz, white quartz, blue jasper, which I hadn't carried previously, and onyx, which I hadn't carried previously. And again, check the site to see all of the meanings for each stone in the interest of keeping this video short, sweet, and to the point. But what I love about this is it's a pendant, but it's still got the crystal energy to it, and you get to customize it with whatever zodiac sign you want. Sun sign, your rising sign, your moon sign, whatever. And these look so great layered with the statement necklaces. So I just thought that these were a great addition. And my whole goal is to be able to mix and match all of the pieces that I come out with. Now, I did take some things off of the site. I had marked them as limited edition, and when they sold out, they sold out. I'm trying to keep the site manageable with not too many things on there so that it's not so overwhelming for both you and me. So whatever's there, like if there was something that you wanted and you don't see it, it's gone. Some things I might be able to make still. You just have to message me and let me know. But other than that, yeah, I'm gonna be rotating some things out as we go. And some things are already on there as limited edition, you'll see. But, you know, as we go, I'll be rotating other things in there, and I won't know really. It'll be like a game time decision. Maybe things that didn't sell as well, or things that I have low inventory on some of the materials, whatever it might be, whatever the case might be. So, yeah. Check the limited edition section for that. Also, I wanted to ask you guys, are you interested in stacks? Because I was thinking about doing stack sets where I style together like a couple necklaces into a stack and sell it as a stack for a little bit lower of a cost. And then you can just buy the stack already pre-styled by me. Let me know what you think about that. And yeah, that is it for the video. I'm gonna just nip it in the bud because I know these videos tend to be long. So we've got one bracelet, a dainty necklace, a statement necklace, and an earring. And yeah, thank you guys so much for all your support and love. As always, it means the world to me. Next month, I've got a necklace that I can't even wait to share. I almost launched it today because I'm dying for you guys to see it. But you will have to wait until next month. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you.